Welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican curry shrimp. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by seasoning the shrimp. I already washed my shrimp and deveined the shrimp, but I keep the tails on for presentation. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of BADIA Complete seasoning. And I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of curry. And you want to mix this together well. Now I'm gonna burn the curry and saute the vegetables. So I'm gonna add some oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm gonna add the curry powder. I'm adding 3 cloves of garlic minced. And I'm gonna add my sweet peppers or bell peppers. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of freshly squeezed coconut milk, or you could use the canned milk. I'm gonna add some pepper. Fresh thyme. Gonna add a Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add my green onions. And you just want to allow this to simmer down and come down to a nice custard. After 10 minutes, the coconut milk has come down to a nice consistency. You don't want it too runny. You just want most of the liquid from the coconut milk to evaporate and form a nice custard. And now I'm going to add the shrimp. And I'm going to cook this for about 7 minutes. You don't want to overcook your shrimp, because when you overcook the shrimp, it's going to be rubbery, and nobody enjoys tough and rubbery shrimp. So after 8 minutes, guys, this is it. This is the finished product. It is smelling amazing. I love when you taste it. It's smelling really good, you know, when you boil coconut juice. Oh, that smell already. And then you have the shrimp and the Scotch bonnet pepper flavor. Everything just smells really nice in here. Now I'm just gonna add some parsley flakes. This is totally optional. Optional. As you can see, the coconut milk has come down to a nice boil. This is not a soupy Jamaican curry shrimp. This is a nice sauce. Look at this. It is not runny, and this is all you want it when you finish making your curry shrimp. I'm gonna remove this pepper because I don't want the pepper to burst into the shrimp. And I'm gonna turn the heat off, or the stove off. And this is it. This is my Jamaican curry shrimp, smelling nice. Oh my goodness, look at this. And as I said before, you don't want to overcook your shrimp, because when you turn off the stove, the heat will still cook the shrimp. So you don't want to overcook. Now I'm gonna do a taste test and tell you how it tastes. And you don't want to add too much salt, because salt and shrimp or seafood doesn't go along. Now I'm gonna eat this with some rice. You can eat this with whatever you like. Feel free to leave me a comment down below and like this video. Don't forget to share. Bye guys, see you in my next video. So this is how I make my curry shrimp.